Alright, welcome back to another video by MEA Technologies. We've got another thing a little bit different. I've just finished working on that battery that you would have seen in the previous video. So we cleaned up the terminal thread just so we can get that bolt in, and I'm testing out one of our solar inverters. And I can see here that the display isn't working properly. I don't know if you can see that really. So you can see it's sort of faded in and out in certain areas. Some digits are sort of showing up extra that shouldn't be. So we're gonna crack it open and have a see. I'll actually show you. This is what they're meant to look like. So you can see that it's nice, clean, 13 volts. Shows you the battery indicator's full and the 12 volt out is operating. Whereas this one's got a bit of a jumble of numbers. Not exactly showing 13, showing a mixture of like a backwards 6 and an 8. So just gonna have a quick look and check to see what could be causing that. So we'll crack her open and have a look. Let's have a look. Moment of truth. Ooh. Okay, so you can see we've got some joined points that probably shouldn't be. I don't know if you guys can see that. Where am I? So we've got some points that are here. So these 2 points are soldered together. Everything else looks pretty clean apart from these points. So this one, I'm not sure if it is soldered together. It just might be a little dirty. Have a look. So we'll see, but that seems to control the display, so it would explain why the digits aren't showing up properly. Well, I've got a soldering iron right next to me here, so I'll see if we can just fix those blobs real quick. And perhaps that's all we need to do. So, I'm not sure exactly if you guys can see what I'll do. I'm just going to heat it up to clean it. I'm waiting for this to warm up. So I've got it set to 480, I think it is. 480. It's a very small tip, it's very fine, so it needs a little bit more heat. Oh, there we go. To work. So we'll see if we can get these to separate. It's not going to be very clean, but I just want to see and check that this is what will fix it. Oh, this one doesn't look like it's joined at all, so we should be fine there. Let's just double check and see if there's anywhere else that needs some inspection. Yeah. Everything else seems fine. There's like a little hair here though. Whose hair is that? Ooh. Guys who are assembling this are leaving bodily fluids and bits of themselves everywhere. Yeah, so that's nice and separated now. Put this away. Before we close it up, let's have a look. Okay, so it's got negative terminal attached. I'll just tap the positive terminal on. It seems to be powering on, and look at that. Problem solved. Now the display is showing up properly, nice and clear. That's exactly what we want. Everything else seems fine though, so that's all it was. I don't know if you guys can see that. You can see there's little joins. Yeah, happy days I think. That problem seems to be fixed. We'll close it up and continue on with our day. Hope you guys found this informative. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know, and we'll see what we got for the next video. See ya.